In the heart of Assam, India, nestled amidst sprawling tea estates, a family-owned business has not only emerged as the largest orthodox tea producer, but has also become a beacon of sustainable practices and social responsibility. Welcome to the world of M.K. Shah Exports Limited. As the fragrant scent of freshly poured Assam tea fills the air, it tells a tale, a narrative steeped in perseverance, dedication, and above all, passion. The Shah family has dedicated decades to crafting the superior cup of tea that meets the discerning standards of esteemed tea brands, retailers, and tea connoisseurs across the world. Established with a commitment to quality, M.K. Shah Exports Limited has become synonymous with excellence in the tea industry. Embedded within the M.K. Group's ethos is the artful tradition passed down through generations of these skilled tea pluckers. Their expertise forms the bedrock of the company's operations, meticulously harvesting only the finest of tea leaves, which are then transported to state-of-the-art automated processing facilities. Years of dedicated scientific research and technological innovations enabled the MK Group to promote premium tea, adhering to the most stringent global manufacturing standards in an environmentally sustainable manner. Step inside the factory of M.K. Shah Exports Limited and you will witness a marriage of tradition and technology. The facility ensures minimal human intervention, guaranteeing both quality and efficiency.
The driving factor is the passion. And of course, the experience comes with it, and there's a lot of patience. I must have to tell you that until and unless all this cannot be done just like that, also passion and experience, you got to have a lot of patience. Earlier on, most of the gardens were onto CTCs. Apart from one or two gardens. Thereafter we went into, we knew that the orthodox market was better. Slowly and slowly, one garden after another garden, we converted them, restructured the factories and made them into 100% orthodox. Nobody in the whole world makes orthodox to that extent. We are making at the moment almost 20 million kgs of orthodox itself. Innovation comes with a lot of experience. The only answer to that, as far as the factory is concerned, is a lot of experience. It was nothing written down anywhere else. It was all trial and error. We did all our experimentations on that. It is only after that that we then firmed up as to how to go about into the automation.
As a part of the soil conservation program, MK Group leads the way in adopting best-in-class policies for composting and utilizing bio-friendly fertilizers and plant inputs. They have made large strides in research and development related to field practices and have led the path in innovating new techniques for tea cultivation, pruning, harvesting, and propagation.
For us, tea is not just a business. It's a way of life. It's pretty much an identity. I can say that rather than blood, tea runs in my veins. At MK, we are a very curious bunch. We like to come up with new solutions to age-old problems. When global warming-induced droughts became a huge issue, we were the first in Assam to install drip irrigation technology across our estate. That not only helped us conserve water compared to traditional irrigation methods, but also fertilize our crops at the same time that they were irrigated. This sort of innovation sets us apart. You see, just like humans, these plants also get old. But unlike humans, we have developed a system wherein we can rejuvenate them, and that is precisely what we have termed a specific kind of prune that we do for these old bushes. We rejuvenate them, that is, prune them down to a certain height and then provide them with a targeted bunch of nutrition and get them back up in a healthy manner. But what's more important is the fact that unlike the younger counterparts, which are vegetative propagated, these are propagated via seeds.
In the world of MK Shah Exports Limited, a cup of tea is not just a beverage. It's a testament to a legacy of excellence, a commitment to sustainability, and a story of compassion for the community they touch. As they continue to brew perfection, MK Shah Exports Limited remains a shining example of what can be achieved when innovation and responsibility converge in a single teacup.
MK Shah Exports Limited, what we see today, is result of great vision of its founder, Mr. MK Shah. He came to Calcutta in late 50s with practically nothing but big dreams and fire in his belly. This backward integration into tea plantation, if we analyze it in the hindsight, we can see how much relevant it is in today's modern world. That time that thought process was not there, but we are in a business which is eco-friendly. We are so much near the nature, we are carbon negative business, we are adding whatever little way to improvement of the environment.
The MK Group's commitment extends beyond the realm of business. Their passion for tea is mirrored in their dedication to cultivating a harmonious relationship with nature, promoting sustainability and uplifting the communities surrounding their estates by ensuring round-the-clock access to free healthcare, housing, schooling, computer training for the youth.
MKT का मेरे जीवन में बहुत बड़ी योगदान है। मेरा जन्म भी इसी बगल में हुआ। मैं भी चाहे मैं अभी MKT में कर्मरत हूँ। MKT में काम करने से आपका कोई तरफ का कोई टेंशन लेना नहीं है। सब तरह का सुविधा यहाँ में अवेलेबल है। यहाँ के MKT में काम करके हम लोग अपना एंजॉय करते हैं, मेन बात इसका रिजल्ट भी अच्छा मिलते हैं। ऐसे देखिए फील्ड में कभी कोई वर्कर इंजर हो जाता है, उन लोग हम लोग इमीडिएट फोन मारते हैं अस्पताल में, तुरंत एम्बुलेंस का फैसिलिटी तुरंत आ जाता है।
Well, at the Central Hospital, we not only treat the common diseases, we also have the facilities for the childbirth, surgeries of different types, dental procedures, and radiological tests.
Quarter after quarter, instead of gross profit, we have chosen gross happiness as our key indicator for success.
What began as a modest tea shop in Kolkata back in 1982 has blossomed into the world's premier producer of orthodox tea. Yet, amidst this remarkable journey, The fervent tea artisan and master blenders of the company remain steadfastly committed to their timeless motto, offering customers the ultimate tea drinking experience. What sets MK Group apart is their unwavering commitment to crafting teas of unparalleled quality, ensuring an exquisite experience for every customer and brand that chooses tea from their estates. Whether it's the pristine Assam tea fields or lush estates in DR Congo, MK Group's dedication to excellence shines through in every cup, offering customers and brands alike the assurance of an exceptional tea drinking experience.
मैं जब चाय सोचते हूँ MK टी से सोचते हूँ। आप जब चाय सोचेंगे MK टी सोचिए।